So guys, now we will open a Scratch program. You type in Google. So you can open Scratch program from your phone, from your iPad, from your any tablet. You can open it from any laptop. You just open Google Chrome you have, or Safari, or any web browser you have, and after that you type Scratch in here. SCRATCH. Okay. You just press on the first link. Okay, now this is a Scratch website, and you press on create in here to start creating your game, your story, your anything you want to make with Scratch.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it.
So we have in here 4 sections in Scratch. We have in here the stage area, that they can't see anything moving in here, your story, your games, and you can change the characters, you can change the background. Okay, here called the sprites area, where you have all your characters. You can, and by the way, you can have lots and lots of characters, and you can have more than that one character, and I will teach you how to make that later. Okay, and you can change the background too. Here is the plugs area, and you can see it's by colors, like here blue, here purple, and so on, orange, yellow. Each plug do something. Like the blue plug make the character moves, here change its looks and say something, here make a sounds, and so on. Why we make it in colors? To make easier for you when you see a code to know where to look at it. So in your book, when he'd ask you to do something, he will make it in colors, blue and yellow and orange, and you see the code is coloring. So when you want to see something, yeah, I know where to find it in here, by any section. So now let's bring the move block. Now let's see what happened to the cat. When I press move 10 steps, it's moving. Now let's change the steps in here, make it 50 steps. It moves a bigger place. And now let's make it move 100 steps. Okay, it moves bigger and bigger steps. So you can program your cat to do whatever you want. Okay, like the robot I told you about like before. If you have a robot and you want to tell him, you cannot just tell him move forward. You have to tell him how to move forward. Like you want to lift his leg, the right leg, move it forward, put it down. Lift your left leg, move it forward and put it down, and so on. So we don't just tell him how to move. You just have to tell him how to move, not what to do, how to do it. Now let's bring the turn in here. Okay. Let's make it turn, but it turns in a degrees in here, and it has a certain numbers in here. You can change it. So here, let's imagine that the cat, it has a circle around it like this. This is a circle. Okay, the quarter of the circle is 90 degree. Let's open. Let's see. Now I have a circle around. Okay, like I have a circle around the cat like this, and the cat is in the middle. So I want to ask the cat how to turn. Let's see, her face is up in here. How many degrees in the circle in here I want to tell the cat to move? Let's see. Now the cat, if it moves another 90 degree, it means a quarter. This is called 90 degree. Like imagine that you are, yes, make the circle 4 quarters like this. Each quarter of those has 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this is 90, 90 and 90. The whole degrees of the whole circle is 360 degree. 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 90 270, plus 90 it will be 360 degree. So now ask the cat to move another 90 degree. It will be like this. Another 90 degree, it will be like this. So each quarter of those is 90 degree. So let's erase everything in here now. Let's ask the cat. Okay, I will make the cat stand up like this. Okay, now ask the cat to move like, what's a half of 90? It's 45 degree, right? Let's try 45 degree. It will be in, yes, an angle like this. So like if you have here, so this is the half of the 90 degrees, so this is will be 45, and here is will be 45, another 45. Boys, do you understand this so far? Not use your heads if you understand. Excellent. So I will erase this again. Try 90 degree for the cat. It will be face down like this. It will be face down, and here is facing up. Okay, now I want the cat to draw a square. How is the shape of the square? I want her to go forwards, like I can see how many steps she can walk. Like maybe 100 steps. I will ask her to move 100 steps forward, okay? And after that I will ask her to draw down. So how I make her draw down? So I will ask her to turn her face down. So after that, maybe the cat, it will be reaching in here after I tell her move just one step. After that, I need to ask her to face down like this, to move down in here. So I will ask her to turn to the right. This is towards your right hand, 90 degrees. So that it turns in here. So when I ask her to move another 100 steps, the cat will be in here. Okay, now I want her face to be down in here, so she can, when I ask her to move forward, she will move in this direction in here. So again, I will ask her to turn 90 degrees again. Okay, after that, I will ask her to move 100 steps in this direction. And again, I will ask her to turn 90 degrees. So her face will be up like this. When I ask her to move forward, she will draw in this direction, 100 steps. It will be like this in here. Again, I will ask her to turn again, so she can stand like this in here, to go to the first point she starts with. Do you understand everything so far? Not with your head if you get it. Excellent, I'm so proud of you. I will erase everything. I will make it step by step in here so you can understand it. Okay, now first, when I ask the cat to move like this, it doesn't draw anything because she doesn't have a pen, right? If you have a white page and you want to draw something, you need a pen. And you need to put the pen down on the paper to write too. So the first, I will bring the cat pen. I can't see a pen in here. Can you see the plus sign down here? Can you see it? Excellent. I will press on the plus sign and choose a pen in here. I will press on the pen. Now I can have a pen. I can have the pen and the eraser too. You know your pencil? Your pencil, it has a pen and eraser at the same time? Yes, so you can have a pen in here and the eraser. I have in here pen down that allows the cat to write. Let's bring it, drag it, and drop it like this. Okay? And snap it together like this. It's like a puzzle. Click on it. Can you see? Now the cat are drawing. Can you see? Yeah. If I want to erase what's in here, I will go to bring erase all, and just to press it, it will erase everything on the stage. Now let's bring the cat in here and start drawing the square. Okay, now let's to draw the square, put the pen down, move forward 100 steps. Now I will ask her to turn. Yes. So turn the cat, please. Yes. So you can draw down. I will ask the cat again to move 100 steps. to draw the other line of the second line of the square. Yeah, perfect. Now I will ask her to turn again so she can draw in this direction. So please cat turn, no, not move, turn. So please the cat turn again 90 degrees like this. Now she can move in this direction and write in this direction. Now move 100 steps like this. Okay, now I will ask her to turn her face again 90 degrees to face up so she can draw up. So turn again 90 degrees. Yes. And the last thing is move again 100 steps and make your head turn again to stand up like this. See? So this is the steps of how to make a square. Let's move it and draw another square in here. So pin down, move 100 steps, turn to the right 90 degrees, move 100 steps, turn to the right 90 degrees, move 100 steps, turn to the right 90 degrees, and move 100 steps, turn again to come back to the starting point. Okay? So boys, can you see here the blocks? You can snap it together. Like I have, how many sides do I have in the for triangle? I have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each side of those, to make it, I ask the cat to move and turn, right? So let's make move and turn, put it together for the first line. Move and turn, put it together to the second line. Move and turn, put it together to the third line. Move and turn, put it together to the fourth line. So let's see now. I will erase everything. Let's see. This is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, right? Excellent. So now let's snap it all together to be one set of instructions or one script. Now, cat, please draw a square. Okay, now see the cat draw it so fast. That's why I make it separate for you to understand what the cats are doing. Okay, when I put it together, the cat make the square so fast. Let's make it again in here. Okay, boys, so this is how to make a square by the cat.